Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Stories. Today, welcome to another English learning story. Do you want to understand English words faster? Do you want to train your brain to speak English naturally and easily? Then this story is perfect for you. Today's story is called The Strange Taxi Driver. It is about a young woman from America who travels to China for work. She gets lost in a foreign country, meets a strange taxi driver, and her journey changes her life in an unexpected way. I will tell this story slowly, sentence by sentence. After each sentence, pause the audio and repeat after me. This is called the shadowing technique. It helps your brain think in English. Are you ready? Let's begin. My name is Emma Miller, and this is the story of how I got lost in China and found something I never expected. I am a young woman from the United States. I work very hard every day. My job is important to me, but it is also stressful. Every morning, I wake up early, drink my coffee, and go to the office. One normal morning, I arrive at work like always. Suddenly, my coworker Sarah runs toward me. She looks very excited. "Emma," she says, "the boss wants to see you right now." My heart starts beating fast. I feel nervous. Why does the boss want to see me? Did I do something wrong? I walk slowly to his office and knock on the door. "Come in," he says. I sit down. He smiles warmly. "Emma," he says, "I have good news. Our project was a big success. Our client in China is very happy. Next week we have an important meeting in Beijing, and I want you to go." I cannot believe my ears. China? My first international business trip? I feel excited but also scared. I do not speak Chinese. I have never been to Asia before. Still, I say yes. 1 week later, I am on a plane flying to China. I look out the window and watch the clouds. Everything feels unreal. When the plane lands, the airport is huge and crowded. People are everywhere. Everyone speaks Chinese. I understand nothing. I suddenly feel very small and very alone. I walk through the crowd, holding my bag tightly. I need to find a taxi. Suddenly, someone taps my shoulder. A man speaks in Chinese. I turn around, confused. "I'm sorry," I say. "I don't understand. I don't speak Chinese." The man looks surprised. "Oh, sorry," he says in English. "I thought you were Chinese. You dropped this." He holds out my passport. My heart almost stops. I check my bag. My passport is gone. "This is mine," I say. "Thank you so much." He smiles kindly. "You're welcome. Where are you going? Do you need help?" I explain that I need to go to the Grand Hotel, but don't know how. "I'm a taxi driver," he says. "My name is Chen Wei. I can take you." I hesitate for a moment, but he returned my passport. He seems honest. "Okay," I say. His taxi smells lightly of jasmine. It is clean and comfortable. "So," he asks, "is this your first time in China?" "Yes," I answer. "I'm here for work." He laughs softly. "Then welcome. China can be confusing at first, but it's beautiful." As we drive, he tells me about his life. He lives with his mother. He works every day as a taxi driver. He meets many interesting people. "Are you hungry?" he asks suddenly. "My mother made dumplings this morning." I hesitate, then smile. "Okay." They are delicious. At the hotel, he helps me with my luggage. "If you need anything," he says, handing me a card, "call me." The next day, my meeting goes perfectly. The clients are happy. My boss is proud. That evening, I called Chen Wei again. He offers to show me Beijing at night. We walk through busy streets. We see temples glowing with light. We eat street food and laugh. For the first time in days, I forget about work. That night, I feel sick. My head hurts. My body feels heavy. The next morning, everything goes black. When I open my eyes, I see white walls. I am in a hospital. A nurse tells me a man found me and stayed all night. Then Chen Wei walks in, holding flowers. His eyes look tired. "You're okay now," he says softly. Tears fill my eyes. He visits me every day. His mother even sends soup. On my last day in China, he takes me to the Great Wall. We sit together, looking at the view. "I'm happy I met you," he says quietly. "So am I reply. At the airport, we hug. Neither of us wants to say goodbye. "Maybe one day," he says, "I visit America." I smile. "I hope so." On the plane home, I think about him. I realize something important. Sometimes getting lost leads you exactly where you need to be. Now it's your turn. Go back and repeat this story sentence by sentence. Practice the shadowing technique every day. Your English will become clearer, more natural, and more confident. This is Daily English Stories. See you in the next lesson.